Tired of spending hours in the kitchen doing all the work yourself? These modern Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to handle the hard parts, whether it's prepping, cooking, or cleaning up after. Get ready to save time, cut stress, and let your kitchen practically run itself. All product links are waiting in the description below. Turn dessert time into an experience with this 7-in-1 ice cream maker. It transforms simple ingredients into creamy ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, or smoothie bowls in minutes. You can get creative with mix-ins like fruit, candy, or chocolate, and even make healthier options like dairy-free or low-sugar treats. With one-touch programs and family-friendly design, it's a fun way to whip up personalized frozen desserts anytime. Cooking in a small space doesn't mean you have to deal with lingering smoke or odors. This portable range hood gives you powerful suction with 3 adjustable speeds, filtering out grease and smells in seconds. No ducts, no installation, just plug it in and start cooking. With triple core filtration, LED lighting, and a compact design, it's perfect for apartments, RVs, or any kitchen that needs fresh air without the hassle. One appliance, endless possibilities? This 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker takes the stress out of meal prep. From pressure cooking and steaming to making yogurt or even baking a cake, it handles it all with ease. The 6-quart size is perfect for family dinners or batch cooking, and the stainless steel build keeps it durable and sleek. With easy cleanup and multiple cooking modes, it's like having a personal chef in your kitchen. Perfect for anyone who loves precision in the kitchen, this smart food scale gives you accurate readings down to the tiniest detail. Whether you're baking, brewing coffee, or tracking nutrition, it switches easily between units and displays everything clearly on its sleek LED screen. You can even sync it with an app to record real-time data, making it a game changer for coffee enthusiasts and home cooks who want accuracy without the guesswork. Cooking on the go just got powerful. This portable induction cooktop delivers fast, even heat with an 8-inch coil that handles everything from simmering to searing. With 18 temperature settings, you're in full control of every dish. It's built tough for heavy use, yet compact enough to fit in small kitchens, RVs, or dorms. Safe, efficient, and easy to clean, this burner brings pro-level cooking anywhere you need it. No more babysitting the grill. This wireless meat thermometer gives you total freedom with an ultra-long Bluetooth range that reaches up to 1,000 feet. Just stick the probe in and track the temperature right from your phone or the bright LED display. It's accurate, waterproof, and even stores data if you go offline. With presets for different meats, you'll hit perfect doneness every single time without hovering over the smoker. Meet the little crab that saves you from bulky colanders. This clip-on strainer latches right onto your pot, letting you drain pasta, veggies, or dumplings with ease. Heat-resistant silicone and sturdy stainless steel mean it won't flinch at boiling water. It fits most pans, folds flat for storage, and cleans up in the dishwasher. Cute, practical, and surprisingly tough, this gadget makes straining safer and way more fun. Turn your morning coffee into a cafe-style treat with this 5-in-1 electric milk frother. Whether you're craving silky lattes, foamy cappuccinos, or refreshing iced drinks, it handles hot or cold froth in seconds. Temperature control ensures perfect results every time, and the auto shutoff adds peace of mind. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's the quickest way to level up your home coffee game without leaving the kitchen. Breakfast doesn't have to be a hassle. This electric egg cooker handles up to 14 eggs at once, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. You can even whip up poached eggs, omelets, or steamed dumplings in the same compact machine. A built-in sensor shuts it off automatically, so you'll never overcook. With a clear lid and easy-to-clean parts, it's simple, fast, and ready whenever you are. Tired of cleaning microwave splatters? This magnetic cover solves the mess in seconds. It attaches to the microwave ceiling when not in use, so it's always right where you need it. Just pull it down to cover your food, and the vented design lets steam escape for even heating. It collapses flat to save space, is dishwasher safe, and keeps your microwave spotless with almost no effort. Say goodbye to boring sandwiches. This handy cutter turns ordinary bread into fun, sealed pockets kids love. Just add your favorite filling, press down, and you've got a neat little sandwich with no messy edges. It's quick, simple, and even children can help make their own. Easy to clean and reusable, it's perfect for school lunches, picnics, or anytime you want a snack with a twist. Running a busy kitchen? This timer keeps you in control of everything at once. With 6 separate channels, you can track multiple dishes without mixing them up. The extra loud alarm cuts through noise, so you'll never miss a countdown. A bright LED display makes it easy to see from across the room. Built from durable stainless steel, it's tough enough for restaurants, but simple enough for home cooking too. No more guessing in the kitchen. This digital scale makes measuring ingredients quick and easy, so your recipes turn out just right. The removable stainless steel bowl doubles as a mixing bowl and is dishwasher safe for stress-free cleanup. You can switch between grams, ounces, and milliliters at the push of a button. With a bright display and tare function, you'll breeze through cooking, baking, or meal prep like a pro. Pizza night just got smarter. These ergonomic pizza scissors combine sharp stainless steel blades with a built-in slice server, so you can cut and lift in one smooth motion. The non-stick base protects your pans while sliding effortlessly under even the cheesiest slices. Whether it's thin crust or deep dish, you'll get perfect portions without the mess. Barbecuing just got a serious upgrade. This smart controller keeps your smoker at the perfect temperature without constant checking. You can monitor everything right from your phone using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you're free to enjoy the party. An automatic fan adjusts airflow to maintain steady heat, giving you perfectly cooked meat every time. With multiple probes, you can track different cuts at once for foolproof results. One appliance, endless possibilities. This multi-meal cooker lets you slow cook, steam, bake, saute, and more, all in one compact design. With 2 separate pots, you can prepare different dishes at the same time, and smart timing ensures both finish together. The non-stick ceramic coating makes cleanup simple, while the large capacity easily feeds the whole family. Breakfast tech just leveled up. This touchscreen toaster lets you pick your bread type and shade with a simple swipe, and the digital projection display shows your settings in real time. Wide slots fit bagels and thick slices, while the built-in rack warms pastries to perfection. With reheat and defrost functions, your toast is always just right. Easy to clean and sleek in stainless steel, it's a modern upgrade for any kitchen. Waffles just got an upgrade. This flip-and-store waffle maker creates thick, fluffy, Belgian-style waffles in minutes, right at home. The smart hinge flips 180 degrees for even cooking, then folds upright to save space when you're done. A ceramic non-stick coating means your waffles release easily and cleanup is quick. With cool touch handles and a sleek, compact design, it's the perfect breakfast buddy for any kitchen. Struggling with stubborn lids is now a thing of the past. This jar opener uses strong stainless steel teeth and a long handle to give you extra leverage, so even the tightest caps twist off with ease. The non-slip grip keeps it steady in your hand, doing the hard work for you. It's especially helpful for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Compact, sturdy, and easy to store, it's a small tool that makes a big difference. Snacking just got smarter. This electric serving tray uses a vacuum seal to keep food fresh, crunchy, and full of flavor for longer. With divided compartments, your nuts, candies, and cereals stay neatly separated. No mixing or mess. It runs on batteries, so you can take it anywhere from dorm rooms to picnics. Lightweight, portable, and party-ready, it's the perfect way to serve and store snacks in style. Breakfast doesn't get smarter than this. This fully automatic omelet maker cooks dozens of eggs at once with zero hassle. A touchscreen display lets you set the time, quantity, and doneness, whether you like soft, medium, or well done. The built-in temperature control keeps every omelet perfectly consistent, no babysitting required. Compact, easy to clean, and smoke-free, it delivers golden, uniform eggs with a crispy outside and tender inside every time. Morning routines just got more flexible. This 2-in-1 coffee maker lets you brew a single cup for a quick boost or a full carafe when you're sharing. Choose your cup size, pop in grounds or pods, and you're good to go. The slim design tucks neatly under cabinets, saving precious counter space. With dishwasher-safe parts and a warming plate to keep coffee hot, it's built for busy mornings and long sips alike. Dinner prep just got way easier. This 4-in-1 colander and bowl set handles rinsing, straining, grating, and storing in one smart design. The rotating strainer drains water fast without spilling food, while the interchangeable graters let you shred veggies or cheese right into the bowl. A sturdy handle and non-slip base keep it steady on the counter. Easy to clean and built to last, it's a kitchen essential you'll use every day. Mornings feel different when your coffee tastes like it came from a cafe. This smart grind and brew machine grinds beans fresh and brews straight into your cup, or a full carafe for sharing. With voice control and app features, you can start brewing without even leaving bed. The adjustable burr grinder lets you pick the perfect grind size, while customizable strength settings make every cup exactly how you like it.